As we've read through our mentor text, we've been able to see that sometimes authors choose a structure or a way of organizing their writing that helps readers understand the larger message or purpose. So we've worked on categorizing with the topic, which is the beginning of playing around with the structure. Today we're going to look at two templates and two different structures to determine which one is the best overall. Once we determine that, we can use these structures as guides when we're ready to make decisions about how to structure our own information and advice in our writing. First, we're going to try out a different structure we just uncovered. I've put together a template to help us try out both structures and then help us decide which structure works best for what we're trying to teach. So my strategy is trying out different overall structures. My first step is take the topic and plug it into one template. Like I said, we're going to have two, and we're going to put one category into, or one topic into both. Then I'm going to take the topic and plug it into other templates. Last, I'm going to compare both and ask myself which structure sounds better, flows better, and which one teaches my reader best. So in template 1, I have Keeping Wildlife Wild. My topic is beaches. I have multiple categories and we'll go through each one. Category 1 is wildlife in the sky. My subcategories are seagulls, osprey, and pelicans. Category 2, I have wildlife on land. I also have sand dwellers and beach mice. In my last category, I have wildlife in water. I have crabs, sea turtles, and fish. Then in my text box to give advice and tips what to do to care for wildlife, I have don't feed the seagulls, keep the beach clean, and stay off the dunes. In template 2, I have helping honeybees. In my topic, I have beaches still, so it's the same topic. Category 1 is wildlife in the sky, seagulls, osprey, pelicans. Don't feed the wildlife in the sky is a tip. Category 2, I have wildlife on land. I have sand dwellers, beach mice, and a tip, don't be scared or scare the beach mice. Category 3, wildlife in the water, crabs, sea turtles, fish. Tip, clean up after each beach visit, even if it's not your mess. And my last one is text box to give advice and tips what to do to care for wildlife. Don't feed the seagulls, keep the beach clean, and stay off the dunes. So keeping my strategy of trying out different overall structures and asking myself which structure sounds better, flows better, and which one teaches my readers best, I want you to keep these two templates in mind when you're working on your Schoology assignment to determine which template you think is best. Which structure is best when we're talking about the topic of beaches. Good luck, writers.